Before looking at the add and assign operator, let's quickly look at this program here. Here you can see that I've got 5 program statements. When I run this program, we will have the following output. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through each line at a time. So here you can see I've got x is assigned 1, and there you can see the variable being created and it being loaded with the value of 1. Now the next line, well, we're going to see that is y is assigned 2, and we'll see the creation of the variable y, and that will have 2 stored in it. As you can see here, there's the selection of the statement, and there's y with 2 being loaded into it. Now, of course, I'm interested in this particular case only in what happens to x. So I want to have a look at what x is now by printing it to the screen, which means that I will perform this statement here, print x. And of course, if I look at the output, that will have produced the 1 here. The next program statement is shown here. Now this is x is assigned x plus y. So whatever is stored in x is going to be added to whatever is stored in y, with the result being stored in x. So we have to think about what is actually happening here in terms of the hardware. Well, we're going to be using the arithmetic and logic unit. Now the content of x and y are going to be transferred to the input of this arithmetic and logic unit, as we can see here. Now, because the operation is to add, what will now happen at the output is the 3 will appear, and that 3 will go and replace what was previously stored in x. So we can see that x is now 2 bigger because it had the contents of y added to it. So it's as if we've incremented x by the content of y. Now, of course, what we now need to look at is the next statement, which is print x. And of course, what this will do, it'll display on the screen what is stored in x. And we can see that is achieved there. Let's now